I guess you're wondering why I'm dressed in my old Anbu uniform, right? Well, recently I requested to Tsunade that she allow me back into the village, and she's okay under one condition. She's gotten a recent request from Akatsuki Naru to have people locate 10 items with a certain letter. So, she's given me the letter S. So, if I can successfully locate 10 items like that, she'll allow me back into the village. I guess I better get started. That took a while. I had to run all the way to the Sound Village to find some things, and then I had to come back here. And when I got back, I ran into Guy Sensei shouting something about the power of youth and stuff like that. I really don't understand him. S. Now let me show you the 10 things that I found that start with the letter S. First, an Anbu knows you never leave home without your sword. 2. Shuriken. 3. Sasuke. 4. Stuffed animals. Don't worry, all you animal lovers, no animals are harmed in the making of this video. 5. Snake. 6. Sayuki. If you haven't checked this out, I recommend you do. It's a really cool show. 7. For all you sci-fi lovers, Stargate SG-1. 8. Stickers. 9. The best magazine out there, Shonen Jump. And for my 10th one, it's a bit of a stretch, but deal with me.
My 10th item, Stripey, my cat.
Those are the 10 things that start with the letter S. I think I successfully completed that mission, don't you? Well, we'll find out what Tsunade thinks. Hopefully she'll let me back to the village. I did all that work. I just hope it pays off. Happy missions!